Hello, hello everyone. Happy Monday. This is your AI acronym individual. Um, cool Granny and Funny Granny and Groovy Granny. So I just want to thank again those who subscribes. Nagpapabanggit po sila. They want me to mention their names and then they said I subbed. And so first of all, Nico. So yan, hi Nico. And then we have also thank you Monkey Man for saying that you're so sweet. Thank you so much for appreciating. And also Lilia's Dance Channel. Thank you so much. Zip Ala BSRH, Fatima Alkawaha, hi. Manuel Miguel, Luke Goat, Tokyo Noodles 15, Leafy Guy Studios, Indiana Dawkins, Kalian Talat, and this is me, Gladys Zito, Satimi Kavindi, Olivia Paps, saying, "You're so cute." Thank you, Miss Olivia. Thank you so much. And for appreciating whatever videos I am creating. And then we have also Lauren, Pearson Carr, Gino underscore forever. Thank you so much. And then we have Rose, Amaret Alvarez for saying that I'm so sweet also. Thank you for your all comments. And we have Speedy Bikes. Thank you. And Gladys Zito, and saying I love all your videos. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. And all those past names that I've mentioned, I want to read their names so fast. Holly Bracewell, Sheila Barnes, Katie Colbo, Amaret Alvarez, Is Cloudy Moon, Crazy Loki, Duda Costa, Madison Dominguez. Don't you give up. You got this. Thank you so much for the inspiration and for pushing me. Maria Paz Rivera, Vanessa Tamayo, Brooklyn Slays, Mary Love 5, Sheena Wheeler, Al Nazar, Praise the Lord Jesus. Thank you so much. Amelia Horizon, thank you so much. Mueni Fumbolaban, Preppy Body 20, thank you so much. Whose mom is this for saying I'm adorable? Thank you so much. Your underscore local underscore bookworm 2037, thank you. Landangoy, Arlene, thank you. Phoenix, thank you. And then Harvey family, thank you. Monkey Man 17, thank you. It's Cloudy Moon, thank you so much. God bless us all.